Hi, it's Morgan with Gimme Apparel, and I have an update on pineapple tea. So I made a new batch of pineapple tea. You can tell this color is a little bit more golden. That's because I tweaked the recipe a little bit. So I have been having allergies, and I thought my husband and my son would be the ones hit with allergies, but I got them too this year. So I wanted to tell you the difference of what I've done and the little tweaks I've done, and it's still quite good. So I tried the first recipe in my first video. It was great. I didn't love the flavor. So I was just like kind of disappointed in some of it, but I tweaked it a little bit. So what I did was I cut the pineapple a little bit thicker, the skin, so that it had more pineapple on it. And I used 2 pineapples. I also didn't shred my ginger. I sliced my ginger. So I still did the same amount, but I didn't shred it, so it wasn't as potent. And then I added 4 cinnamon sticks instead of 2, and everything else was pretty much the same. So the color stayed a little bit more yellow than golden, like not golden, but like an orangey turmeric color. And it works great and it tastes just as good. And so just remember to do the honey at the end because it can melt in and be good, but also the benefits of honey can be lost if you microwave or boil or cook your honey. It can take away the really raw goodness of the organic honey if you use organic, and that's what I use. So that's my update. It works really, really well. My sneezing, itching, coughing is minimized quite a bit. I am nursing, so I can't take antihistamines. So if you need an alternative that is natural and that you can't use the regular, name brand allergy relief medications, then I suggest pineapple tea. It works great. This recipe tastes a lot better. I will put it on my blog, and I will also put it in the description below in my YouTube video so that you can do the little tweaks and make it just a little bit more tasty. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. That helps our algorithms quite a bit, and you'll be able to see more wonderful updates on living healthy. So we will see you around. Have a good day.